Alright folks, if you got a lawnmower that's been sitting for a few months in storage, like 8, and you cleaned out the gas but new and it don't start, try this tip. This could save you. I know it worked for me. So tilt it up like this for a few seconds, shake it just a few seconds like this, right? Get that gas nice and in there. Now I'm gonna push 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look at that, folks. Let's test it again. 1, 2, 3. Like and subscribe if this helped you and you found this to be money saving, because this is an awesome hack. Don't know why it works, but hey, it works. If it works for me, let me know in the comments below. If it does work, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.